Your brain is shrinking right now, not because of age, not because of genetics, because of what you are not chewing before you go to sleep. Every night you skip this, you lose a little more. Names disappear, words vanish mid-sentence. You walk into a room and forget why, and most doctors will hand you a pamphlet and tell you this is just normal aging. It is not. What I am about to share can be found in any grocery store, and the latest neuroscience confirms it can begin rebuilding your brain's memory centers in as little as 10 days. The #1 food on this list increased memory recall speed by up to 63% in adults over 60 after just 30 days of nightly use, and almost nobody is eating it the right way. Before we begin, drop a comment right now. Tell me your age and whether you have noticed your memory starting to slip. I read and reply to every single comment. Here is what is happening inside your brain. After 60, your brain produces up to 45% less acetylcholine. That is the chemical responsible for forming and retrieving memories. Think of it as your brain's filing system. When levels drop, those drawers start sticking. And because your brain does its most critical memory work while you sleep, what you eat before bed has an outsized impact on how well it performs overnight. Here are the 7 foods to chew before bed, counted down from helpful to extraordinary. Number 7. Pumpkin seeds. A small handful 30 minutes before bed delivers magnesium, the mineral your brain requires to turn short-term experiences into long-term memories. Chew them slowly. Number 6. Walnuts. 4 to 6 walnuts before bed provide omega-3 fatty acids that rebuild the structural fat your brain loses with age. Do not remove the bitter brown skin. That is where the most powerful antioxidants live. Number 5. Tart cherries. A small handful of dried tart cherries 30 minutes before bed protects your brain's mitochondria and supports deeper REM sleep when memory consolidation actually happens. Number 4. Almonds. 8 to 10 raw soaked almonds before bed deliver vitamin E directly to your brain cell membranes, protecting them during the glymphatic flush, your brain's overnight cleaning cycle. Soak them for 6 to 8 hours and remove the skin for maximum absorption. Number 3. Dark chocolate. 1 small square of at least 70% cacao chewed slowly before bed stimulates BDNF, the growth factor that builds new neurons and strengthens memory connections in your hippocampus. Never drink milk with it. Milk proteins block absorption entirely. Number 2. Kiwi fruit. 2 ripe kiwis eaten 1 hour before bed contain serotonin precursors that deepen REM sleep and directly improve memory encoding overnight. Chew them, do not blend them. The chewing itself signals your brain to prepare for rest. And number 1, raw garlic. 1 small raw garlic clove chewed thoroughly 30 minutes before bed. Chewing releases allicin, a compound that crosses the blood-brain barrier, enters your hippocampus directly, and activates your brain's master antioxidant switch. A 2022 study found older adults who consumed raw garlic regularly showed 63% improvement in memory recall speed. It must be raw. It must be chewed. Cooking destroys the enzyme that makes this work entirely. Follow it with your small piece of dark chocolate to soften the intensity and enhance absorption. Here is your complete nightly protocol. 1 hour before bed, 2 kiwi fruits. 30 minutes before bed, 1 raw garlic clove followed by dark chocolate. Daily, incorporate walnuts, pumpkin seeds, almonds, and tart cherries as an afternoon or evening snack. Within 3 to 5 days, expect deeper sleep. Within 10 days, faster word recall. Within 30 days, names, faces, and details that had been slipping will begin to stick again. Your brain is not broken, it is simply not getting what it needs at night. Give it the right raw materials and it will do the rest. Now, here is my final question. Which food on this list will you start with tonight? Comment 1 for raw garlic, 2 for kiwi, or 3 for dark chocolate. I read every single comment. If this helped you, hit subscribe. This is FitFixen. We're bringing your memory back, one night at a time.